Hello everyone. Today I am going to share you two simple refreshing salads for all seasons, especially summer. So today we'll see two cucumber salad recipes. One is normal and the other is with dahi. Chalo, we'll quickly get into the video without any further ado. It's really very simple to make. Just add 1 cup of chopped cucumber, chopped onions, some finely chopped tomatoes, some finely chopped green chilies, some pepper powder, a pinch of salt, some chaat masala, some lemon juice, then to the final touch add some chopped coriander leaves. And yes, you're done. Just mix it up nicely and enjoy your salad. So our first cucumber salad, which is normal one, is ready. Now we'll see how to make the dahi cucumber salad recipe. It's also very simple. Just take 2 tablespoons of curd and blend it nicely. Blend it till it gets creamy consistency. Yes, we're almost there. Once we get this consistency, just add the cucumber which we made previously. Mix the ingredients with curd nicely. And then add 1 tablespoon of honey if needed. If you don't like it, just ignore. Now just give the ingredients a good mix and enjoy your dahi cucumber salad. So these two salads are really refreshing and you must try them and tell me how did they turn out. So here is our salad number 2, dahi cucumber. You can also use this as a raita for biryani or any flavored rice. Yeah, that's all for today guys. I hope you liked watching my video. If you like more recipes like this, please stay connected. So chalo, we'll catch up in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Foxtail millet salad. So in this video I am also going to show you how to actually cook foxtail millet. First of all, I would like to let you know that millets contain phytic acid, which is an anti-nutrient, which will reduce the absorption of other nutrients. Therefore, it's highly recommended to soak millets for at least 6 to 8 hours before cooking. If you want, you can use this water for boiling this foxtail millet in the cooker. Now we'll just add our soaked foxtail millet to the pressure cooker. Now add some oil and a pinch of salt to the taste and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. Now take a bowl and add some pepper powder, some cumin powder, means jeera powder, some garlic, finely chopped garlic, some green chilies, salt as per your taste, lemon juice, add some vegetable oil. So our dressing is now getting ready. Don't skip garlic, guys, it really adds better taste. Now we are going to add these colorful veggies to our salad. First we'll start with red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, chopped cucumber, chopped carrots, boiled peanuts, and cooked foxtail millet. Some pomegranate seeds, some chopped coriander leaves. Now just mix all the ingredients really well and enjoy your salad. This salad will really keep you full, so I think this amount of salad will be coming to 2 people. That means you can serve this salad for 2. Foxtail millets are really good for cardiac, obesity, diabetic patients, and these foxtail millets are really rich in B12 vitamins. Many healthy benefits, right? So just try it and let me know.